In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give a gift in Audible Desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send someone a specific audiobook from your desktop quickly and confidently. First, open your desktop browser and go to the Audible website. If you're prompted to sign in, do that so you have access to purchasing and gifting options. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side of the screen and hover over the browse area. This opens up the main categories so you can narrow down what you're looking for. Next, click on Audiobooks. This takes you to the full catalog, where you can explore featured titles or use search and filters to find the exact audiobook you want to gift. When you land on a book's detail page, look for the More Options menu. It's usually near the main purchase buttons. Click that to see additional actions related to the title. From the menu that appears, select Give as a Gift. This switches you into Audible's gifting flow for the audiobook you're viewing. You'll be asked how you'd like to send your gift, by email or by print. Email sends a digital gift directly to the recipient's inbox. Print creates a printable gift certificate you can hand deliver or include in a card. Choose the option that fits your situation. For this walkthrough, select Print. After choosing Print, fill in the recipient's name so it appears on the printed certificate, and add your name in the From field so they know who it's from. There's also a space for a short message. This is optional, but it's a nice touch. Keep it warm and specific to make the gift feel personal. Before moving on, double-check spelling and formatting so everything looks polished on the final printout. Now it's time to finalize your gift. Review the details of the audiobook, confirm the gifting method, and make sure the price and currency are correct for your region. If you haven't already set a payment method, you'll be prompted to do so here. When everything looks right, click the Buy For button to complete the purchase. You should receive confirmation right away. For print gifts, you'll get a file or page you can download and print. Use good quality paper if you want a more polished presentation. If you ever choose email instead, the recipient will get a message with instructions to redeem the audiobook. That's all there is to it. Hover Browse, open audiobooks, use more options, choose Give as a Gift. Pick Print, personalize, and click Buy For to finish. Enjoy making someone's day with a great listen.